2017 Chevy Camaro RS V6. Really nice vehicle. What we got done on it for you guys, it's got factory converters there and there. Then secondary converters there. Then it's got a factory resonator with a built-in X-pipe right there. Then it's got these exhaust valves. If you ever want to take the resonator off, you need to take these off also, because if you don't, it will rattle and it's very annoying. So what we did is he brought his own system. It's an MBRP system, part number S7038, 2016 Camaro V6 dual tip axle back. Right there, that was a mouthful right there. Anyways, there'll be a link in the description if we can find it for you guys. You always want to, if you take it to an exhaust shop, tell them to tack the clamps so they don't rattle if they ever loosen back off, because they never really fit tight enough. Sometimes they loosen. So when we tack them, you don't have that issue anymore. It's got a K&N air filter on it, cold air system. Really nice vehicle. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's the old system, the old muffler that came on it. It's a huge muffler, as you guys can see right there. That's the one we cut off. You need this system to be professionally put on, because it needs to be cut off and taken off. It's very hard to get that muffler taken off while you're on the ground. Just a piece of advice for you guys. There it is. That's what it looks like after. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's quiet. Sounds good though. It's deep. It's a good sounding system. Actually, that's not bad. Yeah, it's warming up. It's not bad. There's sound decibels again. 99.1. So it's still under 100, which is not bad. So it won't drone at all inside. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments of the sound. Let you hear it on the inside. It is a 50th anniversary, guys, so it comes like that with the 50s on it, and it's got the special stripes on it, as you guys can see right there on the side. It comes 50 on here. It comes 50 in the middle. That's not bad at all. That's cool. It's different, as you guys can see right there. Chevy Camaro RS 50th anniversary with an MBRP system. That's not bad at all. It's smooth. Hope you guys like it.